Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are over at Prospertown Lake on April 1st, 2020. So with this pandemic going on, again, the ride's going full speed ahead. I just want to do this quick little update for you guys. So yesterday they finished the Airtime Hill, which is kind of crazy because they just did the dive loop. Today they were starting and they were finishing up this stall, so that's 3 elements down. So at the rate they're going, they'll probably get the ride done by opening if May 22nd is the opening for Great Adventure, because the opening for Great Adventure was pushed back from April 4th because of this pandemic. So I could see the ride opening anywhere between the opening and a few weeks after. So let me just play this footage on the screen for you guys right now so you guys get a feel of what the ride's looking like. It's looking pretty good. It was a nice day out today, so enjoy these little clips. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this short, like 2-minute, 3-minute construction update. We'll have lots of these to come, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.